Thank you for joining me on this special video broadcast. My name is Oladipupo, Clement. I'll be sharing with you on 3 components of wise investments. The next time you're going to make an investment or you're going to invest, it's important to make sure you answer these critical questions. Number 1 is, what is your objective? What is your objective for investing? Are you investing for value? Are you investing for growth? Or are you investing for steady income? That will define, all right, your choice of instrument or vehicle. This is so critical because a lot of times there is mismatch of funds where the objective is not clear and so the instrument was faulty. The instrument or the choice of instrument was faulty. So you need to clarify your objective before you part with your hard-earned funds. Number 2 is, how much risk can you accommodate? How much risk can you tolerate? This is also very critical. You need to understand that there's a connection between returns and risk. The greater the risk, the higher the return. And then the lower the risk, the lower the return. So it's critical that you evaluate your risk tolerance. It's important to evaluate your risk appetite before you part with your hard-earned funds. Many of the investment schemes and programs that are out there are not all suitable for you. You need to be sure that it, tallies with your risk appetite. So how much risk can you tolerate? How much risk can you accommodate? And number 3 is, how much return do you really want? How much return on investment? We call it ROI. How much ROI do you desire to generate from this particular investment? And that will go a long way. If you're expecting to get 20% return on investment, and then somebody is offering you, or an investment opportunity is offering you 15%, you ask yourself, does it tie with my objective? Does it help in meeting my investment objective? If it does not, then you have to continue to shop, for other investment opportunities. I hope you find this very helpful. If you do, click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel and you'll be glad you did. Till I come your way again on this special platform, always remember, winners never quit and quitters never win. So stay inspired till you succeed. Bye for now.